Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alicia and I am so happy that you are here with me today. Today we are going to be doing a gentle Vinyasa flow, making our way up to reverse prayer by special request. We'll begin our practice with our hands placed down on the knees. Gently tuck the chin, lower the gaze, or option to close your eyes. And we'll begin with a few deep breaths. And feeling the breath come up through the nostrils, down into the belly. Gently tuck chin to chest. Even more. Feeling a stretch on the back of the neck. Drop those shoulder blades down the back body. Nice deep breath in. Exhale, roll right ear to right shoulder. Nice deep breath in. And exhale, move down through center, left ear to left shoulder. Nice deep breath in. Exhale to bring you back through center and bring the head up into neutral. Take a few shoulder rolls back and forward. Clasp your hands together and we're going to roll out our wrists. Take the right arm across the body and gently guide it with your left hand. Option to gaze right. Deep breath in. Exhale, come down, guide the left arm across with your right hand. Option to look left. Final deep breath in. And release. We'll come into a tabletop. Bringing wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale to drop the belly, chest comes forward. Exhale to round, dropping the head down. Come through neutral spine, tuck your toes, and find your downward facing dog. Pedaling out your feet, bending into alternate knees, maybe shaking your tail a little bit and then dropping the top of your head down. Really ground down through those fingertips and reach the hips up nice and high. You are doing great. Find your breath, my friend. Two more deep breaths here. Gently tiptoe your feet to the front of your mat, finding our forward fold. Clasp alternate elbows, sway a little left and a little right. Melt your arms down, ground down through the soles of your feet, and slowly root to rise. Inhale, circle, sweep your hands up, palms together. Exhale down through Anjali Mudra at the heart. Tuck chin to chest, relax your shoulders, relax your hips. Bring your feet a little wider than hip distance apart. Drop your hands back behind you, clasp your hands together, and inhale, reach the knuckles down as you open through the chest, gaze up. We're going to take a little bend in the knees from here, and we're going to begin to drop it forward into a forward fold, only going as far as your body will allow. If you can get the top of your head towards the floor, that's great. Reaching down through your knuckles. Two more deep breaths wherever you are in this posture on the journey toward it. Nice deep breath in. Exhale, brings you all the way out. Release your hands, let them float up and meet at the top, coming down into heart space. All right, we're gonna move into our reverse prayer. So I'm gonna turn around so you can see what this looks like as I walk you through it. First, let's take our hands behind our back and clasp alternate elbows. I invite you to be present here. Simply be aware and notice. Allow your shoulders to relax back and down. Feel nice and sturdy and strong in the lower portion of your body. Unlock your knees. Ground down through your feet. All right, now we'll come into reverse prayer, bringing your hands out at the side, palms facing each other. We're gonna flip our hands so that they're facing backwards. So our palms are facing backwards. And then we're gonna almost take like a little nosedive of our fingertips coming together at our low back. So I invite you to just come here. You can rest your hands against your low back. Again, checking in with your shoulders, checking in with the rest of your body, how it's feeling. And then if you'd like to join me to go further, you just begin to bring your palms together as they rise up the back. Now, this won't be completely accessible for everyone. So you can also just come into holding the elbows or just see where you get. When you have your reverse prayer, pressing your hands into each other, pressing your feet into the ground, allowing your shoulders to roll back, chest lifts. Turning your feet towards the right edge of your mat. Inhale to come up, opening through the chest. We'll take it over into a pyramid. Gazing down at your right big toe. One more deep breath here. Exhale to come out. Flip the feet to the other side of the mat. Inhale to lengthen up through the spine, and we'll come forward. Nice deep breath in. Exhale to come up. Stepping to the top of your mat. Gently allow your hands to come down. Roll them into your sides, palm facing forward. Find Tadasana, mountain pose. Inhale, circle, sweep the hands up. And exhale, drop them down. Let's do that a few times to get the blood moving through the arms, through the hands. Last time, inhale up, palms together, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, plant your hands, step to a plank, hold for a breath in. And exhale, down to your knees, sweep your feet out in front, and we'll come to lie all the way down on our backs. Bringing your knees into your chest. Take a gentle rock side to side. Bringing your arms out into a T, allowing your knees to fall to the right, coming into supine twist as you gaze over your left shoulder. Nice deep breath in. Exhale to bring your knees up through center, send them over to the left, gaze over your right shoulder. Nice deep breath in. Exhale to move on to your back and come in to Shavasana. Allowing your legs to go out long, arms beside you, palms facing up. Coming back to your room, back to your body, back to your breath. Wiggling fingers and toes. Rocking your head side to side. And taking any movement that could feel good for you right now. Maybe a nice full body stretch. And then if you can, bring your knees into your chest, grab hold of the back of your thighs, and we'll rock up. And we'll meet in a seated position. Bring your hands over your heart space. Tucking chin to chest, take a nice deep breath in and out to close your practice. Thank you so much for sharing your time, energy, and practice with me today. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. If you have enjoyed this reverse prayer practice, if it helped you, if you're here hearing these words, I would love to know. Please feel free to leave me a like or a comment on this video. I would be so grateful. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.